Welcome watchers, my name is Lady Z and today I'm going to be showing you a tutorial on sketch.io/sketchpad. So it's very simple. We're going to first start out with the history just so I can erase everything that I've done so far. And if I scroll down all the way to the bottom, I can go down to the last few things that I did. Alright, so clean slate, undo and redo button up in this top corner, and let's just get familiar with some of the basic things that are up top. So we have our select, which is just our cursor that floats around with us wherever we go. We have our pen, which you can change over here. If you look, you have a pencil, pen, calligraphy, lines, curves, sketches, web, spirograph, spray paint, all different kinds of things. And you can select different kinds of fills. You can select just a regular color, linear, radial, or a pattern. And let's just go ahead and select a pattern. Now here you can choose the opacity, seeing how dark or light it's going to be. And you see, just kind of draw there. And yep, that's basically it for that. Now let's look over here. Here it's called stars. There's spirals, eclipse, and you can just kind of insert all that you want. Deleting, you can easily just select it and either hit backspace, or for just quickly, remember undo, redo. And then you can move it anywhere along here that you would like. You can make it bigger, you can make it smaller, you can always go curve it any more than you want, or just go up wider or taller. Now, for your fill, you can pick anything that you want inside of it. So let's just do, let's do this color. All right. And turn this up. There we go. Okay. Then let's go back here. And then your outline can be just about anything. So let's just go with black. Your line width can be anywhere from just 0 to 50, and just kind of select whatever you would like. Your angles can go anywhere around that you would like. And here you go, just basics. And again, you can adjust the opacity just the same as you do on the other part. Okay, now clip art. There is all different kinds of clip art. There's plants, people, and animals. Let's just go with people. Here we go. You just insert by selecting first what you're going to do and then clicking on it. You can adjust it just the same as you adjusted the spiral over here. You can make it wider, taller. You can stretch it out. You can circle it around so that she's upside down. Whatever you feel like. And you can insert as much as you want of the same and as much as you want of different ones. You can fill up the entire page if you wanted to. Your blends are over here. You can have all different kinds. Here's color burn. See how the colors blend together and it makes a different color. Let's just go to disco. Well, there you go. Brighter. There's all different kinds. And then if you scroll down here, erase. You can completely erase it, and it also erases that part. Okay? It just makes it see-through. Alright, so let's go over here to text. Now, in the text, you can create a text box using any of the fonts that are here. There's quite a few, but let's just go with Cabin Sketch. Alright, then you just click and type. Then you can bold it, italicize it, underline it, strike through, whatever you feel like doing. You can justify it so that it's straight on. You can do to one side. Let me just show that. To one side, the other, or in the middle. Your outline can be anything that you want. See, there's these kind of things. Stretch it out, make it smaller, whatever you want. Make it rounder so that it's not so spiky. Here, it looks kind of spikish. You can set it at an angle any way you want. And again, here you go, right there. All right. And there is color, linear, radial, and pattern, just the same. All right. 2 more things to go. First, paint editor. Let's see. Let's pick maybe radial, and I'm feeling kind of ombre-ish. So then we just kind of do this, and then you can adjust it to any length you want and pick where the colors are going to be arranged, just the same as you can do it for just about anything else. And you see, you just kind of click. And then, of course, there's the eraser. You can erase bits and pieces and erase everything, okay? There's also the blur, where you can just blur out what you're doing as you erase, and you can choose as much as you want. You can also adjust the size anywhere from 0 to 250. So let's just get rid of her and maybe do a blur right here. See? Wonderful. Okay. The next thing that I want to show you is the different layers. Now you can go to each specific layer and look at it. Then, if you go to your history, you can see all the different things that you've done so far. And if you want to just start all together, you can go all the way down to number 1, press that, and you have blank slate. You can see where we erased and all that. Then over here, settings. Let's go into settings. You can do an autosave. It just shows you, talks to you about autosave, which is just saving the document that you're working on automatically so that you don't have to physically go in and do it. Mine's enabled currently. We also have background, which you can choose transparent, blueprint, a notebook, loose leaf, lined, graph paper, blank, or a grid. Now let's take a look at questions. You can ask any questions. There's lots of different things that people have already asked, different examples, different little other tutorial like instructions, all different kinds to say. Okay. Now, if we go up here, you can see you can make a new one, you can open one, you can import, or you can place into. You can also download yours or export right here. So let's say we save it as a JPG image. There we go. We can go into our files, and it's there. Ta-da! Well, that's about it. I'm Lady Z, and it's amazing getting to talk to you guys, and I hope this tutorial helps. Bye!